It's been quite the journey so far. We have finally crossed this little milestone. Now there is a whole bunch of people, more than 100,000 to be precise, watching Technology Jock videos. And like I said, it's been quite the journey with ups and downs, with some ups and a lot of downs. Anyway, when you have wonderful people around you, you can get through anything and everything. Family, friends, fellow YouTubers, and more importantly, you guys. Thanks for all the likes, all the comments on my videos, and all those who have actually hit the bell icon. If you haven't, it's not too late. You can even do it now. Let's cut to the chase, the giveaway. So on this wonderful occasion, Fumarii Technologies decided to partner with us to give away some stuff to 3 lucky winners. The prices of the products add up to somewhere around 1.5 lakh rupees. That's why I'd like to call this a mega giveaway. Now, before we talk more about it, let me tell you a few things about Fumarii Technologies. They're an innovative tech startup based in the UK. They provide really affordable, high-end cloud computing to other startups, small businesses, and even freelancers and individuals like us. Fumarii's Link is an amazing concept. It's a kind of desktop computer, and it's the last one you will ever buy. I know how annoying it is to purchase computer hardware that get outdated quickly, but with Fumarii Link in future, it automatically connects to newer and better hardware through the cloud. So if you know anybody who needs it, please do them a favor, share this video with them. They're also doing some nice cool stuff like you probably know computers and servers generate a lot of heat, right? So they're recapturing this heat and using it to heat homes and offices. It's just something interesting I wanted to share with you guys. Now back to the giveaway. They recently secured some investment and they're sponsoring this giveaway. So like I said, we are gonna pick 3 winners at random, 3 lucky winners. For the first place, we are gonna give away NVIDIA's latest and greatest RTX 2080 Ti graphics card. For the second and third place winners, we are gonna give away some mystery tech boxes. Basically, I have no idea what's gonna be inside, but I'm sure there are some exciting products in there. Now, how do you enter this contest? It's really easy. First, go to the description. You can find the giveaway link there. Click that. Make sure you have liked Fumarii Technologies' Facebook page and make sure you have also subscribed to Technology Jock. That means you're submitting 2 entries. So say there are 100 entries in total, your winning probability is 2%. Now, if you want to submit more entries, if you want to increase your chances of winning, just do the other stuff as well. Follow Technology Jock on Instagram and follow Fumarii Technologies on all other social media platforms. Then it means you're submitting 6 entries in total. Your winning probability goes up to 6%. It just increases your chance of winning. So yeah, that's it. We'll be announcing the winner before the end of May 2019. I'll be announcing the Bluetooth earphones giveaway winner by the end of this month. So I think this contest should go on for 1 more month. So guys, that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you all so much for sticking by. Keep commenting your ideas and requests. I'll try to come up with videos regarding the same. Now, please don't forget to hit the like button. The whole video is for you guys. So every single thumbs up this video gets is for you guys. Thanks for watching. This is Ashwin Sundar and I'll see you very soon. Bye.